Pardon?
Could you explain why the devices were seized in the first place? Was there any reason given?
The reason was that due to the charge of crimen injuria, therefore they wanted to investigate all these 4 devices. That is the reason. The devices were taken on the 22nd of July, 2020, before her arrest on Friday afternoon.
Was there any kind of warrant for the acquisition of those items? On what did they produce a warrant to?
We have not seen, if any, because we have not been given copies of the docket, and she was not shown any warrant of search and seizure, and she did not consent to them taking those items.
And so have you sought any guarantees from them that private and personal items, footage, photos, videos, or anything on a phone, that has not been tampered with, that her privacy has not been violated?
I will not comment on that question at this stage. Thank you.
Could we just get a comment from you? How are you feeling? And how
She will not be giving any statement or comments at this stage.
And in terms of the lawfulness of these hawks getting involved, have you made any headway in terms of that?
In terms of the
lawfulness of the hawks getting involved in this investigation?
The captain who's investigating the case is right here. When he comes out, he's better placed to answer that question as to the lawfulness of the involvement of the hawks. We can't comment on that on their behalf.
But if you could comment on, has the docket been handed back to SAPS?
I cannot comment on that. The hawks and SAPS will have to, they are better placed to comment on that.
Finally, Richard, there was considerations in the weekend media reports that Mrs. Gagaba was a potential suspect in some kind of plot of assassination against her husband. I mean, what is her reaction to those kinds of suggestions?
We've seen the reports that such allegations are dating back to June 2020. However, the charges for which she was arrested are dating to July 2020. So logically, you would have had her arrested for that particular conspiracy to commit murder, as opposed to the malicious damage to property, especially on a warrant of arrest.
So in your mind, this is just a post facto fabrication?
That will be speculation. I will not assist you with that.
But from her point of view, is on the direct allegation that she is somehow plotting against her husband, she's not?
The problem is that those allegations has not been formally brought to our attention or her attention. So it's difficult to even know what they are about, except what we've seen in the media.
Yeah. Sorry, Victor, obviously these the allegations against Mrs. Gagaba will have to be proven in the court of law. But is there a feeling on your side that there has been a push because her husband is obviously politically connected, and that is why something like this has turned into an arrest where it could have just been a warning to appear in court?
That question will better be ventilated in the upcoming court proceedings that we intend to institute. I will not comment at this stage because it will jeopardize such a process.
Has Mrs. Gagaba returned home?
We will not comment on that, but the court has authorized that she can return home.
What steps will you be taking after the whole weekend incident where she was arrested and the hospital? How are you taking the matter forward?
There will be a court process that will ensue, which will be in an open court. At this stage, we will not comment on those issues because they are going to jeopardize such a process. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thanks, Judge.